my
Yes.
YouTube channel, but it's like our YouTube channel together.
Okay, yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Okay, guys.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Fire Nation.
Fire Nation? Mine's Old Daisy Skater.
Okay, I'll subscribe.
Alright, awesome.
Where I was at.
One-
I don't even get to watch videos.
All one word. Old Daisy Skater. You got your turn. Let's get your cousin a turn.
Okay.
Okay.
But first of all, you need to film me and don't cut. Yeah, he's gonna.
What?
Don't cut the scenes with me out. He has an axe. He's gonna cut down.
I'll cut out whatever doesn't fit in our video, but I'll leave in whatever fits.
Your YouTube channel. What's your name? The Fire Nation. Can I put on the camera on my head?
Sure. Everybody gets a turn.
Nice.
Wait, you can hold it too, right?
You can just hold it too. This
Nope.
is
Once you put it on, it just stays there. It stays put.
You guys do this?
I do.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh, why
I'm gonna go for that. Baba, I'm gonna film my YouTube video. Bee.
What's your moniker? We call you Sawmill Student. What do you like to be called if you had a screen name? Like a new game, what's your screen name?
I don't know. I would want it to be my own name though.
No, you can't
In the games you play.
You can't use your real name.
Oh, I would just do something like, I would leave it blank.
Going on hiking trail with his family and friends.
Oh wait, I thought you were talking like a game. Okay,
No,
never mind.
because you're recording.
Okay, yeah, I don't mind.
Hey, you wanna wear it for a little bit?
I don't do videos on hiking. I do like on gaming and stuff.
You're strictly gaming, huh?
Yeah.
We try to do all of our adventures.
And I also do like vlogging.
Yeah, we try to do all of our adventures.
Yeah.
You know, gaming, skateboarding.
Where's BD Tattoo?
Bike
Baba, wait. We need to wait for BD Tattoo and everybody else. Playing game time, Alec.
Yeah, when we were driving here, we drove here by mistake first. Yeah, then we found our campsite. All right, you ready to go in the water?